Cache Giraffe won't load new games when the app can't refresh its offer wall or when your device blocks background data. That usually happens after an update, a network switch, or when Android battery restrictions kick in. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fix new game loading on Cache Giraffe step by step, so the offer wall starts updating again and new games show up normally. First thing to check is your connection inside the app. Cache Giraffe relies on offer walls from third-party providers, so unstable Wi-Fi or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can stop new games from loading. Turn off Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, then reopen the app. If games appear, the issue is your network routing, not the app itself. Next, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Cache Giraffe, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that often block the offer wall from refreshing. After that, force stop the app and reopen it. If you're on iPhone, the equivalent fix is deleting and reinstalling the app, because iOS doesn't expose cache controls the same way. Battery and background restrictions are another common cause. Android can silently restrict apps that run offer tracking in the background. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, and set Cache Giraffe to Not Optimized. Also check Data Saver Settings and allow background data for the app. If new games still aren't loading, log out and log back in. Offer walls sometimes fail to sync your session token, and re-authentication forces a fresh connection to the reward server. One more thing that gets overlooked is VPN usage. If you're using a VPN or private DNs, Cache Giraffe may stop showing new offers because the reward networks block mismatched regions. Turn it off completely and reload the app. Finally, if nothing changes, reinstall the app and restart your phone before opening it again. That forces a clean refresh of device, identifiers, and network permissions. New game loading issues on Cache Giraffe usually come down to cache corruption, restricted background data, or network conflicts. Fix those 3 areas, and the offer wall almost always starts working again. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and gaming reward platforms.